Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate any text in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I created a new project. As you can see, I did the same video from the Eiffel Tower. So I will add the same text. Go into the text, add heading, add Paris, just zooming a bit, try to find whatever, just a bit smaller, like this. So I need to use a good font. I like this Gagarin, increasing the size to like I think it was 300 in the other video. Yes, 300. And the color I would like to use again white. Go to the position, middle, center. I don't want to have the text for a whole length, so I just cropping it. Even the video I will crop a bit because it's too long, just for the demonstration. So now what we have, I'll show you, bam. So we have the text in the video, popping up and down. So if you would like to animate, just searching the text and click on animate, and like this burst, we can change the intensity, and this is how we can animate the text easily. But what if we would like to use two different animation? Because if you can see here, enter or exit, I choose both. Or some of them, like this rise, there is a other function. I choose both, and reverse exit animation. So if I see this is already something good, like you go, now the text is going up, and in the exit is going down, which is really nice. But we still not so satisfied, and we really would like to use a absolute different animation. Still, we can do it. So now I just changing to on enter. Then the text will exit until this, and here just disable, just disappear. But what I'm doing now, I just crop in the text a bit more, and Control C, Control V. No, why I cannot do it now? So just, yeah, duplicated the text technically, and moving this text a bit further. So I'm overlapping the two text, and say put in the same position. And for this one, going to the animation and searching for something different. What I would like to use, like this block on exit. Here we can change also the direction, but I don't want to. Well, I'm going back to that. So let's see what's so the text is coming up as was before, and now as you can see, it's an absolute different animation style, absolute different animation. So this is a small trick how we can do if you would like to use this total different in and out animation. We have to duplicate the text and just use the animation on the enter for the first one and on exit to the last one. And of course the two texts has to be overlapping, because in this case we can see the difference between the, so sorry, that has to be overlapping. In this case the text is visible for a whole part, and actually cannot even figure out that is it not a same text. Technically, this is separate. This is two different texts, but actually, because of the two texts are same, it's the same one. But actually, this is how we can create this funny animation in a Canva. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm. Then if you have any question or struggling anything in a Canva, just let me know in the comment section and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.